What is up everyone, welcome to yet another video, and this time we are going to do something different. And as I have named the playlist The Secrets of Mathematics, what we are going to do is we are going to try and understand some of the things that we very regularly use and even in our primary classes, but we don't really know why these things happen. And one such question is, why is any number divided by 0 is always termed as undefined? If you want to know why it is so, then make sure you watch the video till the end, because today we are going to unravel that secret. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in directly into today's topic. Question that we are asking today is, why is any number divided by 0 always termed undefined? Why can't we define anything divided by 0? So for the ease of the calculation, how we are going to solve this, we are going to take x as 1. We can take any number, but for the ease of the calculation, we are going to take 1. So let us start. So how do we start? We start with 1 divided by 1. If you face any problem, then you can take out your calculator, but I don't think you will need the calculators for the sums or calculations that we are going to do today. So first of all, 1 divided by 1, and we all know the answer is 1. Now, if I change it a little bit, in the next step, let's do 1 divided by 0.1. 1 divided by 0.1 gives 10. The next step, let's do 1 divided by 0.01. And here, what we get is 100. Hope you are getting the trend. Let's move further down and let's do 1 divided by 0.001. And here, we will get 1000. If I go even further, 1 divided by 0.0001, and I get 10,000. And if I go on doing this 0, 0, 0, dot, 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 1, what am I going to get is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, dot, 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 0. The number of zeros here will actually correlate to the number of zeros here. That means what we are doing, as we are moving down and we are decreasing the value of the denominator by 10 times, we are increasing the answer by 10 times. So what am I trying to do here is, I am trying to reach as close as possible to 1 by 0. What is the possible answer that we are going to get is 1000000, a huge number, and that huge number can be related to as infinity, that is positive infinity. So in the number line, if we keep on finding the answer, we are going to go so far down the line that we are going to reach towards a value of positive infinity. I hope that makes sense to you. As we move closer to 0, the value keeps on getting so big that it reaches plus infinity. Now that's okay. That means we can get that x divided by 0 is plus infinity. But we are not done yet. Let's move and see something quite different from this. And not much of a difference. What we are going to do right now is we are going to take 1 and we are going to divide it by minus 1. Because this part we have done completely positive. Let's try with the negative part. So 1 divided by minus 1 gives what? Answer is negative of 1. Now if I do 1 divided by minus 0.1, the answer that I am going to get is minus 10. And if I keep on doing the same thing, 1 divided by 0.01, I am going to get minus 100. This time, 1 divided by minus 0.001, it is minus 1000. And if I keep on doing the same thing, just repeating what I had done earlier, but this time with the negative, and I keep on finding values that are going bigger and bigger, but towards the negative direction. So if I keep on doing the exact same thing and it is 0, 0, 0, dot, 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 1, I'm going to get a negative of 1, 0, 0, 0, dot, 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 0. Ultimately, when here also what I am doing, I am trying to get closer and closer to 0. So as I move towards 0, what I see from this series, the number is getting bigger and bigger, but towards the negative direction. That means what I am going to get is a negative of infinity. Now here is the catch. In a number line, if I draw a number line here, I have this as my 0, this is the plus of infinity, this is the minus of infinity. And what strikes us the most is how can this one single value of 1 by 0, and here also it is 1 by 0, one is having a positive infinity value and the other, the same thing, is having a value of negative infinity. How on earth is it possible that the same fraction can have two different values that are so farther apart from each other? And since we can't find any sense to it, since we can't define that how can the same thing, same fraction have two different completely further away from each other values, and hence we call it undefined. I hope you understand, I hope you get that why any number divided by 0 is undefined. And not only one, you can try it with any number you want, and you are going to see that when you do for the positive numbers, it reaches towards plus infinity. And when you do it for negative numbers, it reaches towards minus infinity. So that is why any number divided by 0 is termed as undefined. That is what makes mathematics so beautiful, that even the simplest of things has such beautiful terms of knowledge and beautiful terms of logic to it that it just mesmerizes us every single time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like button, and if you think that others around you, your friends and your family also need to know about this, then make sure you share the video and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in the future. So thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.